I bought a pack of pork, the belly part, in the supermarket. I cut it into chunks, then soaked in salt water for 10 minutes. After draining the water, I stir-fried the pork without adding oil until the meat chunks were golden brown and had released oil. Took out the excess oil so the dish wouldn't be too greasy. Then poured in the seasonings, green onion, ginger, star anise, rock sugar, salt, and soy sauce. I stir-fried on low heat until the rock sugar melted. Then added boiling water to cover the meat and a bit of cooking wine, simmered for 45 minutes. Finally, I added garlic scapes, mixed well. The braised pork is super delicious.